So, good news muna tayo and I hate to be the bearer of bad news but the good news is matutuloy po ang laban. Nakuha po ni Casimero yung timbang ng 127 point something, sandali 127.8 or exactly 58 kilograms. So, si John Casimero po ay meron pong pagkakataon makarecover hanggang mga alas 5 po yata o alas 6 ng gabi. So, sana makakain po siya ng maayos. Wag lang masyado madami kasi at least kailangan niya po ng mga 2 hours, 3 hours bago po para po makaka-recover po siya ng maayos at hindi siya magsuka sa laban. So, good luck pa rin kay Casimero and I feel bad for this at naibalita na rin ito, binalita na rin, pag-usapan na rin natin ito. Ito pong pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon is an article from Yahoo in Japan at mukha pong galit at disappointed po ang promoter po. Ito po ay Yahoo Japan. So ito po, no, sabi po dito sa title mismo, "Don't mess with me. I'm really disappointed in him, the former world champion and man behind the plot to get Casimero to fight Naoya Inoue is furious. After problem child, Casimero failed to make it in due to being 600 grams over the weight limits." So ito po yan, no? The weigh-in for the professional boxing event Treasure Boxing Promotion 7, 13 Yokohama Budokan was held in Tokyo on the 12th. At you know the story. At the other things that I wanted to share, ito po yung screenshot po nitong issue na to is, again, I'm sorry to be the bearer of the bad news. So you, antag dito. Ito lang, ano lang sa snapshot. Sorry guys, but Ito was furious saying, "Don't mess with me. I'm disappointed. I'm shocked. I had him to come to Japan for more than 2 weeks ago and I had a driver, a house, and a place to practice. So what is this? After a fighter who made such a blunder can't be scheduled to fight champion Inoue." So yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo pag tinatanong nyo ako, maaaring kaya niyang talunin si Inoue pero kakabahan laging yung promoter kung laging ganyan. So talagang wala na po yung labang kay Inoue. There's no chance anymore. Ito didn't meet Casimero. However, vented his anger to Casimero's staff and manager who flew over from the US saying, "I warned him so many times but what's wrong with your management?" Yan po yung sinabi po. So nakakalungkot po ito na balita. Ang hindi po ito sa ban but ito ay nakakalungkot na balita po, no? Na dahil po dito. So hindi ko po hindi po ito talagang nakasulat po dito 'yan. So pagpasensya niyo na po pero matutuloy yung laban. Sana ay magpakita po ng maganda si Casimero but this is a bad omen para po sa promotions na nagbigay po sa kanya ng opportunity. So, yan lang po masasabi ko. At I'm so sorry guys.